Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming it is dead with a non-contact tester. This prevents shock and lets you work safely. Once done, remove the old switch and note which wire is line, hot, and which is load going to the fixture. Make sure the neutral bundle is present. Many motion switches require neutral. Prepare wires by stripping about 1/2 inch and have wire nuts ready so connections are clean and secure before mounting the new switch. Next, you wire the sensor exactly as the manufacturer shows. The why is simple. Correct pairing ensures the sensor controls only the fixture and not the whole circuit. Connect the switch black lead to the supply hot and the red or brown lead to the load going to the light. If the unit has a white neutral lead, join it to the neutral bundle with a wire nut so the sensor has a return path. Finally, attach the green or bare ground to the box or ground wire for safety. After wiring, tuck wires neatly, secure the sensor to the electrical box, and reinstall the cover plate so no conductors are exposed. Turn the breaker back on and test. Walk in front of the sensor to confirm activation, then adjust sensitivity and timeout settings so the behavior matches the space. If the light does not behave correctly or flickers, immediately turn power off and double-check that line and load are not swapped and that the neutral is firmly connected. That fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.